miniature model of central cooling system. This is the AHU, and AHU is connected to a chiller, wherein we have used ice box as a chiller, and you can see that we have got a water pump, which pumps ice water, and we have put a small piece of ice there which makes the water cool, and this acts as a chiller. And from the chiller there goes a connection. From here it goes a connection. The connection goes, it directly comes into the cooling coil. I'll show you cooling coil, and this is the AHU, where we have two fans that sucks the water, that sucks the air from behind this cooling coil. Now we can feel the temperature of this cooling coil is very chill due to the flow of water, and this is the miniature model of the cooling system. So 1 kg of ice can last for 1 hour, and this will produce cool air as such of your AC. You can feel the cooling here, and the total cost of the project was 1,800.